In this video right here, I'll be showing you guys how you can set a reminder on your mobile phone. So if you want to do something in the future and you think you're going to forget, you can set a reminder on your calendar. And when the time is due, you're going to get a notification on what you need to do that day. So let me show you guys how to do this. Any phone you're using, just follow the tutorial. If you're using an LG, a Samsung, any phone, just follow the tutorial. It's quite similar. Even if you're using a PC, you can follow. So what you need to do is just move to your calendar, move to your mobile phone, and then move to your calendar. So on your mobile phone, move to your calendar. So you can see this is the date. You can see I've set some reminders here. Make 10 posts, make 8, make this, make that. So let's say I want to do something on the 30th of this month. So I tap on the 30th like this. And I try to add something. So depending on the mobile phone you're using, when you tap on it, it's just going to open like this. So you just give the event a name, something like that. So let's say auditing. So let's say on the 30th, I'll be doing some auditing here. So you just need to give a time. So Friday, which is May 30th. So let me do it 9 o'clock a.m. Good. To the time, let me make it 5 o'clock p.m. Good. So here's the reminder thing. So it's on every mobile phone. Once your mobile phone has a Gmail account on it, Google is going to, do this for you. It's simple and easy. You can see. So this is a Gmail account for my tutorials, and it has been linked to my calendar. If you're on a PC, it's the same. It's something automatic. So now let's set a reminder. We can get a notification on our mobile phone. We can get it in our email. So in this case, we are using a mobile phone. So let's use it like this. If you're on a PC too, you can also choose any of your choice. Something like that. You can customize it more. You get it. But then it depends on your mobile phone. So this mobile phone, you can do a lot of customizations here. So that's it. Now let's save it. Good. And you can see our auditing has been set. So on 30th, we are going to get a notification before 9 o'clock a.m. on our mobile phone that we have an auditing to do on 30th Friday. That's it. Or now you can set reminders on your mobile phone or even on your PC. Simple and easy. If you have any question, kindly let me know. So depends on the mobile phone you're using, but the procedure is similar. Just hop on your calendar and then do that. Simple as that. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. And that's it for the video. Peace.